Good morning, all of you. Today we will find out the boiling point of an organic compound. To find out the boiling point of organic compound, we need the materials. They are paraffin liquid in a beaker, 100 milliliter beaker, toluene, test tube, thermometer, capillary tubes, dropper, rubber band, stirrer, stand and clamp, Bunsen burner and hot plate. Now coming to the procedure. So to start with the practical, first what we have to do, first we have to take the toluene, that is the substance, the organic compound whose boiling point are to be found out. So the first one, we have to take the toluene up to 2/3 of the test tube. Now taking toluene, filling the test tube with 2/3 of the toluene. Now with a rubber band, tight them properly. The test tube is been attached with the thermometer using the rubber band. After fixing the test tube with the thermometer, you have to keep something in your mind that the end of the test tube, rather the bottom of the test tube, should be present at the middle of the thermometer. See, like this. So the middle of the thermometer, there would be the bottom of the test tube. Now in 100 milliliter beaker, so like this, okay. Now in paraffin liquid, paraffin we have to take in 100 milliliter of beaker and then keep it on the hot plate and place the stand beside the hot plate and attach the thermometer and test tube with a clamp on the upper part of the hot plate. Now adjust the thermometer like this. The lower part of it must be properly inside the paraffin liquid, and the upper part like this, it should be dipped properly inside the paraffin liquid, and the upper part should be like this. It should be sufficiently outside that of the paraffin liquid. So you have to keep the arrangement like this. Now take a capillary tube and fix the one end, seal one end by heating on the burner. Now like this, and then keep it on the inside the test tube in the paraffin bath in such a way that the open mouth or the open end that will be inside the toluene properly, inside the test tube that contains the toluene properly. Now start the paraffin. Before stirring, we have to switch on the hot plate, and with a stirrer we need to stir the liquid properly, uniformly, to heat the liquid in a proper way, in an uniform way, rather to distribute the heat properly throughout the beaker. Few bubbles has been stirred. 1 to 2 bubbles, they are present actually. They have started coming out from the capillary tube. Now just within a very fraction of a time, a continuous flow of bubbles will be formed. See, continuous flow of bubble will be formed. See, continuous flow occurs. So continuous flow of bubbles, what does it mean? It actually is a stage where the vapor pressure of the liquid just exceeds the atmospheric pressure, right? So you have to keep the temperature, record the temperature as T1 when the bubbles will come out continuously. It starts continuously coming out. You have to keep that temperature as T1, okay? Right. So take the temperature as T1 when it starts flowing continuous. Now stop the heat. Stop the hot plate, right? After stopping it, see, there will be a time or a stage will come. You need to keep that temperature as T2 when the air bubbles will just stop coming out. See? Right, like this. You have to keep the temperature of that moment when it just stop coming out of the tube. Now, mean of the two temperature will give the boiling point of the toluene. See, this is the temperature, one is 118 and temperature 2 was 104, and if we are taking the average, the mean value of the both of the temperature, so we get 111 as the boiling point of toluene.